Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is 10th of October 2017 and I have tried today a new system for recording because for the past 2 days the voice is not clear, right? So I'm hoping today you get a better video and much more clarity in voice. So I have bought the latest, the microphone, which is Blue Yeti, and also I have got a good system of recording today. So hoping that you should have a better, you know, clarity over here. So on my record today, I'll show you what all I have on my record today. So on my radar today. So Nifty, before we begin, let's go to the Nifty. Nifty, this is 15 minutes graph. Nifty is actually, let me just put the morning range. This is the morning range. And Nifty has not broken its morning range in either of the direction. If you just notice here, this is the morning range. 15 minutes, it's neither going up nor it's going down. It's just in a range. Even yesterday, it was almost in a range, right? And today, let's see what's happening. We are just waiting for some kind of a breakout to come. Let me take you to GCI and see what's happening there. Maybe if we get a bit more clarity over from there. So till GCI is opening up, let's see here. Let me put the pivot points. Let me see what's happening on the pivot points here, right? So this is the pivot point and it is actually hovering on the first resistance itself. If it breaks in the downward direction, the Nifty will go up, or if it honors this resistance, this support, this resistance only will become support, then Nifty will go up, right? And let's see what's happening with respect to the other markets. Let's see what's happening with respect to, this is FTSE, London market, which is positive today. Let's see what's happening in the German market, positive today, and our Nifty is also positive. So hopefully it should have a momentum in the upward direction only. So let me just remove all the drawings. So this is how Nifty looks right now. Okay. Do you remember, I have given you a lot of stocks, the stock which gave you maximum pain, JVL Agro. Today, it has given a breakout. Today, it has given a breakout, So, what I have been repeating time and again, and I still stick to that, if you find correctly the volumes, the stock which has come, which has got the buying and the right setup, it's 100% sure sooner or later the stock will give you a breakout, right? So we don't need to get hassled, if it goes down. Every single stock that I've given you sooner or later has given you a breakout, every single stock, right? So this is JVL Agro today. You can see it's 1-day graph, it has given a breakout. If, as I told you the other day, if it goes above 22.15, it is going to be definitely heading up. Next target will be 24 or 25 and then 29. So hope for the best. Now it looks to me in a very positive zone. So on my radar there were many stocks today. I had UPL on my radar. I had the HDFC Bank on my radar. HDFC Bank has given a breakout today. Just see here. This is 1 day. I'll show you. It's 15 minutes. It's given a breakout today. This huge breakout, and again it is kind of on the verge of heading up. Then the Camlin Fin. This stock I gave it to you at somewhere around 70 something. I remember I gave it at about, let me have a look, somewhere here. 78 or 70, 73 or something I gave it, right? 73 or 73, 74 I gave it, and it has given a run up till 88, 89 today. Then Motilal Oswal, 1260 is where I gave it to you. It's at 1480, good 200 points up, right? I gave it to you somewhere here. And how many trading sessions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trading sessions. It has given you a 200 points return. It's a huge return from any standard. Any standard, you can say this is a huge return. Now on my radar is definitely HDFC Bank, and that's the reason I have put its call also over here, and entry I will do on a right time. I told you to keep looping on your radar. Did I tell you yesterday or I told you the day before? So lupin has also given a breakout, right? This lupin has also given a breakout. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to add one more, I have added yesterday also, but I'm going to further again do it for you. I'm adding one more, parameter for you, or the indicator for you, vortex, right? Whatever are the default parameters, we will take that. And you can see, every time red line goes above, crosses the green line right here, this becomes a sure shot opportunity for sell. Although these two are ready, but I want to combine the volumes also. So if the volumes of red are going up, means the stock definitely plans to go down. Now here, see here, now the volumes do not drastically increase, so the price also did not drastically increase, right? So whenever, now I have given you Karur Vysya Bank. Let me show you Karur Vysya Bank. So Karur Vysya Bank, somewhere here is where I've given it to you. 144.45 is where I gave it to you. It has given a good breakout today. It went up to even 149, right? So this looks good to me. This looks good to me because I'm expecting a bit more run up to come in over here, right? That is, and you remember Kotak Mahindra Bank? Kotak Mahindra Bank has this run up. We had its call of, this is at the value 1054. I had a call of 1020, and that 1020 call has become at least 4 or 5 times, right? So vortex, you have to, apply it in one day. Whenever there is a cross happening, green going up means buying opportunity. Even if you remove all these MACD, RSI, just use vortex, that's also going to be fine. Just look for a support and look for the vortex. Vortex means the volume should go up in the positive. That will become your buying opportunity. If you want to remove these, that is also good for me. There is no harm in it, right? This becomes our buying opportunity. Similarly, when it's going down, right? When the green is going up, buy. When the red is going up, sell, right? At this point, see here, suddenly the red has gone up and the green has fallen down. You can sell. You don't need any other indicator. Similarly, out here, the red has gone up, but green has come down. But see, this broadening has to be huge. Maybe you can wait for a day or two, right? Let's see over here at this point. Green candle, let it take a support. Let it take a support. Maybe you can enter from this point. Enter from this point and it'll give you a good run up, right? Now here the broadening is happening, right? Somewhere here when it's taken a support and left. When it is closed, both red and green candles are closed. Don't do anything in it. Don't do anything in it, right? When do you need to do? You need to only work out when it crosses over. When it crosses over and goes above. Okay, so this is one day. If you want to do positional trades, this will be a good opportunity that you get from the one day. Coal India also gave very, very clear trades here. Now see here, without crossing each other, it diverged, right? Divergence happened. The green volume went up, the red went down. So that means very, very good opportunity for us to create a buy position. And then it's taking a support, right? That makes it very, very lucrative. Similarly, out here at this place, right? The green volumes have gone up. Can you see at this place? Green volumes have gone up, right? And the broadening was pretty much large, means with huge volumes the buying has come, and this buying has come into the stock. Now let's see over here, somewhere at the back. Now the red volumes have gone up. At this point the red volumes have gone up, and see the fall that it had. Till it crossed over, don't exit. I mean, it's a trade of short, right? You can short this particular trade. Okay, so let's look into Nifty. Nifty looks, wherever we stand, Nifty looks a bit positive to me. I mean, it's doing nothing. Actually, I can't say whether it's negative or positive. I have no idea right now. Reason being, it's not doing anything. But if I look into 5 minutes, it looks to me on a big little support. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 candles, more than 1 hour. It's just not being able to go below this 50 moving average. Means this definitely is behaving as a support until it is broken with a huge momentum. I would say Nifty plans to go up. Okay, so some of the stocks which you can still keep on your radar and enter into them is Karur Vysya Bank, right? Definitely Karur Vysya Bank. I need to have its 1-day graph, right? Karur Vysya Bank looks good. Ingenious India looks good to me, right? It looks good to me, although the selling volumes are up. You need to wait for the moment it crosses, both of them cross, then only you can enter into it. So Aero Textile has also given you a breakout yesterday, and I'm hoping that you all have exited it. It gave a high of 58.3. I'm hoping that you all have exited it, because now if you have not, it's not my fault. I told you all to keep a stop loss at 55 or 56. If it goes below that, exit your trade, right? Then so vortex, are you all clear about? Because wherever the crossover takes place, right, the red volumes are going above here, see, and it's taking a resistance. This fall had come, right? Then green candle formed and volumes have gone up, right? So the vortex basically represents the volume, buying volume and the selling volume. Today the breakout has also come in Ashoka Leyland, right? After this support, now the stock is in the uptrend, right? See here, clear, absolutely. This is the support, and the stock took a support and went up, right? So vortex and moving averages, just apply these two. It'll do exactly the same job that MACD and RSI is also doing, but I'm more comfortable working with RSI and MACD, but vortex also looks pretty good to me. You can apply, right? So all the stocks that we have discussed, you have noticed, have given a good 10 to 15% in few days, right? These trades are called the swing trading. Or if you want to understand how do you do those trades, I teach it. I ensure that everybody, see, it's not a huge cost that you need to give. You need to only invest about 30,000 rupees in your learning, and we ensure that you get it back while you, like, within 2 months or 2.5 months, you recover it, mostly by positional trading, but sometime by doing option trading as well. And then you learn it, and this learning is for your life. You will not be fooled by any broker that buy at this time and sell at this time. You have to ask yourself why should I buy and why should I sell, and then you will get better calls than the brokers are giving, right? You will be able to provide better calls than the brokers are giving. And see, my members have found TVS Electronic and see the breakout, and they found it at this point. They entered it exactly at 190 or 200 rupees, and within few trading session it is at 496. These are the calls you will be able to decipher. HEG, how it is so. See this beautiful movement that it has given. D-Link India, we found it at 106 rupees, 104 rupees or 5 rupees, and see, this is the momentum that it has given. Jagran Prakashan, right? Of course, today it's given yesterday the dividend. Genus Power has also given a breakout yesterday. So all these calls, they are very, very easy to identify, and you each will be able to do it. See that CDSL, right? As I told you, CDSL at 348 to 386, good 10% return. In how many days? We bought it somewhere here at this point here, right? In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading session. Would you not like to have such kind of trades? So if you want to learn, please, my webinar now begins on 4th of November, and every aspect of stock market will be covered, every aspect, and you will be able to learn and earn, and your confidence level to enter in the market will be different. And I'm saying, I really want to tell you all that this is my confidence in my trades. This is not, I'm not just saying that you do and you earn yourself, but I have full confidence that you will be able to recover the money that you have invested in your learning, right? That's the confidence I have. So with this, I'm signing off. Looking forward to see you all, right? And good day. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Keep good health and work diligently on your trades. Then only you trade. Once you learn, then you earn. Nothing before that. Okay? Bye-bye. Good day.